A noted Democratic donor worried about the party's chances of winning the presidency emailed dozens of friends of Vice President Joe Biden on Friday, urging them to be prepared to donate if Biden has to jump into the race. The donor, Bill Bartman, cited new polling data showing that Senator Bernie Sanders of Vermont nearly tied with Hillary Clinton, eroding the 30-point lead the former Secretary of State held at the end of last year. Bartman and other insiders are concerned that Sanders, a self-proclaimed Democratic socialist, is too far to the left to win against a Republican in the November presidential election. Highland Hill Farm of Fountainville, Pennsylvania has announced an ABC rally at its Tree Farm. Anybody but Clinton groups are starting to appear as more is learned of Hillary Clinton's misleading language in Thursday night's Democratic debate to describe the ongoing FBI investigation into her use of a private email server to conduct official government business while she was Secretary of State. Highland Hill believes both Sanders and Clinton will be bad for tree sales because higher tax rates will result in less spending on trees as customers will have less capital to invest in their landscaping.